Hello, and welcome to Trusted Company Reviews. In this video, we'll discuss how to use your personal loan calculator. You're likely already on your personal loan calculator page. However, if not, simply go to trustedcompany.reviews.com, choose the Personal Finance tab, and scroll down to Financial Calculators. When the page pops up, you'll see several of our free calculator pages, each of which can provide assistance with various financial planning tasks. Go ahead and choose the Personal Loan Calculator. This calculator specializes in helping you envision your projected payments when taking out a personal loan, whether that's for a major purchase, covering an unexpected expense, or consolidating high-interest debt. Let's start on the left side of the calculator. First, enter your loan amount. The default for this page is $12,000, but for this example, let's use $10,000. Next, enter your APR, or your annual percentage rate. Here, we'll use the 9.99% that's pre-filled, but you can adjust this to match your rate. Be sure to check this amount with your lender. Then choose your loan term. You can select months or years. In this case, we'll go with 36 months, which is a typical term for personal loans. If you plan to pay extra each month, you can enter that amount here. For now, we'll leave the extra payment set to 0. Once everything looks good, click Calculate, and the calculator will respond with your results. The chart on the right breaks your payment into principal and interest. The blue portion represents how much of each payment goes towards your loan principal. The red portion shows how much goes towards interest. Early in the loan, a larger share of your payment goes towards interest, and over time, more of your payment goes towards principal. The visual makes it easy to see how interest affects your loan over time. Scroll down to the View Schedule button to view the amortization schedule. This table shows every payment month by month, including the payment amount, how much goes to principal, how much is going to interest, and your remaining balance after each payment. You can expand or hide this schedule as needed, and you can also export it to a CSV file if you want to review it in Excel or Google Sheets, or just keep it for your records. One of the most powerful features of this calculator is the extra monthly payment option. We touched on it a little before. Try adding even a small amount extra to see how much interest you could save over time and even how much sooner you could pay your loan off. This is especially useful if you're deciding whether refinancing or paying extra makes sense for your budget. You can also adjust the length of the loan here to see how that can affect your loan as well. If you're comparing loan options, this calculator helps you see the real numbers before you make a commitment. You can use it to plan wisely, avoid surprises, and even help you choose a loan that fits your budget. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.